The top salespeople who are commanding enormous incomes have 6 key character traits that other salespeople don't have. So if you're new to sales or you're struggling a bit, you'll find that by focusing on these 6 keys, sales success and the money will quickly follow. And also, look, if you're already highly successful in sales, refocusing on these 6 factors will make you even more successful and bring you even more money. So what are the 6 key traits? Number 1 is commitment. Look, to be successful in sales, you have to be committed to your customers, your company, and yourself. Look, when you're 100% committed to your customers, you'll go above and beyond and focus on delivering more than customers expect. This is a prerequisite to selling at the highest levels. 100% commitment to your company means being completely committed to your internal customers. This is your manager and other salespeople, it's other people in other departments, and it's all other personnel within your company. And finally, when you're 100% committed to yourself, it means you'll do whatever it takes to reach all your personal and professional goals, including becoming the best salesperson you can possibly become. Trait number 2 is confidence. So confidence means complete belief in your ability to do your job at the highest levels possible, and also your belief that you have all the tools necessary to meet all your commitments listed in point number 1. So look, you may need some additional skills or training. You may need to work on areas like product knowledge or time management, but with confidence, you know you're up to the task and you'll do what needs to be done to fill those gaps. Trait number 3, consideration for others. So consideration for others means you're as nice a person as possible in both your personal life and your professional life. It means you have empathy for all those who you come into contact with, regardless who they are. It also means you're able to put yourself in other people's shoes and you're able to place other people ahead of you when necessary. It means you do what's right and what's best for the other person without regard to your own personal loss or gain. Trait number 4, communication. To be at the top in sales, you must be good at open, honest, direct communication. Good communication means staying in touch. It means you don't hesitate to communicate when there's a potential issue or problem, and you don't leave any loose ends or questions unanswered. Good communication also means staying in touch in order to build those long-term relationships you're going to need. Trait number 5 is competence. When you're competent, you speak intelligently about your industry and you stay up to date on the latest news and industry trends. You also know as much about your competition's product as you know about your own product. Competence means you continue to educate yourself and get better at what you do. If you're new and you have some gaps in areas such as product knowledge, look, competence means you're honest with customers about what you know and what you don't know, and that you'll do whatever you have to do to get the correct answers and follow up in a timely fashion. Trait number 6, competitiveness. Look, top salespeople are highly competitive. They'll do whatever it takes to win, ethically, of course, and they're extremely motivated and do not rest on their laurels or on last week's, last month's, or last year's numbers. They continue to push themselves to grow both personally and professionally. At the same time, they also realize that both sales and life are team sports, and they do what they can to help, work with, and cooperate with the other people in their lives. So look, by focusing on and developing and further developing these 6 key character traits, you'll not only have more sales success, you'll make more money, but also you'll find that your personal life will also benefit greatly too. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, pass it on, hit subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video.